Sorry. Double is in jail. I hit you. Cindy! Where are you going, pal? To White Room. White Room. Thank you. What was that? The volume was all the way down. Yep. Nice. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Who is that? Yep. Hit. Let's go. I have the ball. Should go. I don't want to shoot that kid. I'll take you like this. Hey, that guy is cheating. What's under the truck, bro? Yeah, right there. I don't know. I have the ball though. There's like 4 guys up ahead. I know. Where do I put the ball? Oh, good kill. Excuse me, bud. There's 2. Yep. Wait here. Yep. All right. Ready.
Hey, Green.
Yo.
Be careful of who you shoot. I didn't know if you shot my ass or not.
No, I shot him. There's a guy underneath the table. Yeah.
All right.
Kill house hit. I was dead though. I used the grenade and I got a few kills. So I'll blow you. Yep. Excuse me, sorry. Where? Ooh. Oh, hit.
That fucking hurt.
Yeah. Who's there? Shot his knuckle. Oh, it was a friendly. Isaiah, come on, bro. He shot his knuckle. Hit. Yep. Yes, it is. Yeah, I'm on my way to Jeep.
Thanks.
There's about 3 back there. Okay, one in the middle of the Jeep. He ran back to the that side. Woo! Oh well. Hit. Safety!